Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today we're going to read a story, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Here are some words related to the story. Goldilocks, baby bear, bed, daddy bear, chair, mommy bear. Once upon a time, there were three bears, and the three bears loved to eat porridge. One day, the three bears went for a walk.
What's in here? This porridge is too hot,
Said Goldilocks.
This porridge is too cold. This porridge is just right. Yum, yum. This chair is too hard.
Said Goldilocks.
This chair is too soft. This chair is just right. Oops. This bed is too hard.
Said Goldilocks.
This bed is too soft. This bed is just right.
Who's been eating my porridge?
Said Daddy Bear.
Who's been eating my porridge?
Said Mommy Bear.
My porridge is all gone.
Said Baby Bear.
Who's been sitting in my chair?
Said Daddy Bear.
Who's been sitting in my chair?
Said Mommy Bear.
My chair is broken.
Said Baby Bear.
Who's been sleeping in my bed?
Said Daddy Bear.
Who's been sleeping in my bed?
Said Mommy Bear.
Who is sleeping in my bed?
Said Baby Bear.
Time to go.
Said Goldilocks. Now let's see how much do you remember about the story of Goldilocks and the three bears. Answer these questions and find out what was wrong with the first chair Goldilocks tried. Whose porridge was just right? Where did the three bears find Goldilocks? Second activity, look at the pictures from the story and say the order they should go in. Here are the answers, and this is the end of the story. So if you like this kind of videos, tell me in the comments. I'll be happy to read them. Bye bye.